Excellencies, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the land of cures. I'm extremely honored, and you can't imagine the sort of feelings I have. I'm mesmerized and I'm humbled too. Just wanted to thank the diplomatic corps, all those who are here. They say seeing is believing. Your presence today speaks in high volumes that Pakistan, and especially the south of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, this resilient nation and the people of Kohat and this entire region have got the due abilities. We have gone through such a phase, one which can't even ever imagine. But again, they say when you suppress them, their resistance far increases. We have proved it to ourselves. We have proved it to the entire globe that we can compete and we can make it to any level because we have got the due abilities, inshallah. And since the global perception of late was quite different, we were misperceived. I, as the son of the soil, studied from St. Joseph Convent High School. Our forefathers allowed our Christian brothers and sisters, missionary schools, to come and become a part of this area, and they were allowed to move and do the needful according to their own will and wish. And then they also allowed their children to become a part of those institutions. And that I'm talking of 1950s and 60s. We welcomed everyone. We opened our doors. Even after Cold War, this resilient nation and the people of the south of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa always fought for the global community. They sacrificed everything, but they were never rewarded. They were never given due respect. So this particular government, along with all the key stakeholders, because I'm extremely honored and grateful to the Army Chief, to the Corps Commander Peshawar, and then again to GOC and his entire team, that this particular Spring Festival in Kohat and the sort of solidarity and teamwork which they have depicted along with the civilians and all the key stakeholders of all the federating unit, it is a message to the whole world that Pakistan is peaceful now, our doors are open, and this is fertile to the core. We have all the due ingredients: economy, peace, and image building through you, because we want you to become our ambassadors. We want you to play a bridging role. We want you to convey to all those who have any concern or misperception about Pakistan that this country, Kohat और कोहाट के वासियों और जितने मेहमान हैं, आपने आज, क्योंकि हमारी मेहमान नवाजी पूरे पाकिस्तानी कौम की बहुत मशहूर है, ये जो 13 ममालिक के एम्बेसडर्स आए हैं, आपने एक दफा उनके लिए, क्योंकि आज मैंने देखा है कोई वो जज्बा नहीं था, और मैं गिनवाता जाऊं कौन कौन आया हुआ है। हमने इटली, साउथ अफ्रीका, चाइना, टर्की, अजरबैजान, श्रीलंका, मालदीव्स, ईरान, अफगानिस्तान, इजिप्ट, मोरक्को, और ये 24 घंटे के नोटिस पे आए हैं। अगर आप अपने वैल्यूज पे यकीन रखते हैं तो प्लीज मेरे साथ मिलकर एक दफा सबको वेलकम करें। In the end, we are honored and grateful, and let me convey a message through you to our neighbor India that we believe in peace and harmony. We will keep on doing what we have been doing. We will, at all levels, promote peace, peace and peace. But those who have any other ideas, the message to them is never challenge, never undermine Pakistan, long live Pakistan, Pakistan zindabad.